Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up custom communication events using Booking's Events template. Booking Events templates allows users to set up custom communication events using Workflow Event template. This can be scheduled to be sent out before or after the booking takes place or at a specific time, which will be triggered when a booking is made on the diary. This saves time and allows the patient to complete forms before they visit the practice and surveys after they have been to the practice. This also ensures that communication from the practice is automated. Diary settings are set as per the specific diary for each practitioner if the practice has multiple diaries to accommodate multiple practitioners. Every diary and the diary settings need to be set up for that specific practitioner's needs. On the main diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. Click on the Diary Settings tab. Click on the Bookings Events Template Setup panel to expand it. For an extensive explanation of the setup in the entity settings, please refer to the Bookings Events Template setup in this video's description. In order to enable an event template, click on the Choose drop menu and select a booking event template that was set up in the entity settings. Please note that all templates set up in entity settings will automatically pull through to the diary and be disabled and re-enabled on a diary level. To disable an event template, click on the trash can icon on the corresponding event template line. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the Booking Events template setup. To learn how to add a new booking event, schedule a booking event template, schedule a specific time for the templates, and delete a booking event, please refer to the Booking Event Template Setup user manual in this video's description.